Are you chasing performance but burning out your team and yourself? What if the secret to sustainable growth is not more hustle, but more awareness? In this video, we're exploring how emotional intelligence powered by AI insights is the new superpower for modern leadership, and we'll share a few real-world examples that may prove that. Here's the truth. Business performance at the cost of people is unsustainable. Many leaders today are achieving results while their health deteriorates, driving metrics while team engagement plummets, scaling up while turnover rises. According to our case studies, this imbalance stems from the lack of emotional intelligence. Without it, you miss the signs: frustration, disengagement, and burnout. Dr. Travis Bradberry, co-author of Emotional Intelligence 2.0, found that 90% of top performers have high emotional intelligence, and when EQ drops, so does productivity and morale. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and connect with the emotions of others. It breaks down into 4 key areas: self-awareness, know your triggers, energy levels, and blind spots. Self-management, stay composed under stress, set boundaries. Social awareness, recognize unspoken team dynamics. Relationship management, build trust, handle conflict, and inspire growth. With AI-powered EQ assessments, leaders can now identify burnout triggers early, customize leadership development, and track emotional trends in real time. As Dr. Gene Greaves states, you can't improve what you don't measure. AI tools allow us to quantify emotional health and improve it with precision. Human Synergistics International, HSI, is advanced in this space. Their new platform, CultureSurvey.ai, integrates AI with decades of leadership and culture assessment data, bringing deeper visibility into organizational effectiveness. How powerful is that? While their leadership-specific tools haven't fully merged with AI yet, their work in culture analytics signals a powerful shift. Let's break this down into real stories. The burned out leader, a production manager stuck in a toxic cycle. Health is failing, family neglected, but through a self-awareness and EQ coaching, he resets his priorities, restores health, and rebuilds the team morale. The crisis leader, thrown into chaos at a failing manufacturing site. She used social awareness and relationship management to earn trust, clarify expectations, and turn the site around, saving contracts and careers. The frontline leader, a young manager leading without experience. Through emotional intelligence, she leaned into listening, empathy, and cross-functional empowerment, delivering quality and stability in months. If you're ready to lead differently, here's what you can do today. Take an EQ assessment to identify strengths and gaps. Start daily reflection or mindfulness to build self-awareness. Ask for feedback from your team and those around you. Now, use AI-powered tools to help measure engagement and trends around you to give you new insights. Invest in EQ-based leadership coaching. Bradberry and Greaves reminds us EQ is so critical to success that it accounts for over 58% of performance in all types of jobs. These aren't soft skills, they're essential skills. Leadership is not just about getting things done, it's about how you do it. If you're ready to lead with clarity, energy, and empathy, take the leadership assessment in the link below. Or grab your copy of Sustained Business Growth at sustainedbusinessgrowth.com for deeper principles on balancing performance and people. Because when emotional intelligence meets data-driven leadership, transformation becomes inevitable. Thank you.